guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I am here with the third review unboxing of the Manny and Lola box. As I just said, this is the third box. They started in November and I will link down below my review videos for those two boxes. But today we're here with January's box. They've kind of gone for a loose like New Year's theme to it, which I guess is quite nice and obviously on trend. So let's open the box and have a look. So same packaging as always, although I will say that I think that the packing worms they put them in are different because I feel like this looks more like recycled paper, which I'm all for. It might not be any different, but just to me it looks different. So there are 7 items. I think every time there's been 7 or 8 items, so a great amount of items before we even get started. And this month there is more of a mix. Last month there was a lot of polishes. This month is back down to like a 50-50 split in between polishes and treatments. So I will go through them in the order 1 to 7 as labelled onto the card, and we'll have a look at what we have. The first thing that we have is this, and this is the Hand Repair 20 Minutes Anti-Aging Repair Mask by Skin Republic. This is what it looks like. Austin's in the room in case you can hear that chatter. And it looks like a pair of moisturising gloves. It says cleanse and dry your hands, wear the gloves for 20 minutes. And then take them off, and that's the end of the treatment. So they're saying that this retails for £5.50, and this is not something that I've ever used before. I don't feel that I need the anti-aging right now, but it would be a good item to try because I've never tried anything like this before. So good first item. The second thing is by Kukio, and I've never tried any of their nail care system. I've only tried their polishes, and this is one of their hand creams, I guess you would say. I think it's technically a body cream, hand, feet and body, and this is their milk and honey butter, and they're saying this retails for £5. Another great item. I don't know if it's got a lid that I can get. No, it's all sealed off, so I'm not going to get it out, but as you can see it is a yellowy colour, and I'm presuming it smells like honey. They're saying that this is just to keep your hands hydrated around the clock, and they've got a patented Kukio formula that releases moisturising emollients every 2 hours throughout the day. It's a non-oily intense hand, feet and body butter for the coldest months. So that is the second item. Item number 3 is a Manny and Lola file. This is a very, I don't know if they even say what it's a 100-180, and it says a sponge nail file. It's a light shaper for natural nails. So this is not super abrasive at all. I think, did they send us one in the first box? I want to say so, but this is the one that we have this time. It's a little bit thicker than a buffer. It's definitely going to file your nails, but it's not going to take huge amounts off, like they said in the description. And they're saying that this retails for £3. Onto the nail polish section, we then have an OPI Nail Envy with one of the coloured ones, and this is in the shade Samoan Sand. For all of these polishes I do have swatches which will be up here, and this is obviously Nail Envy with a tint, kind of similar to the Orly Breathables that I've reviewed before, and I think that Essie has just come out with something in a similar sort of concept to this. We just got Nail Envy in box 1, so I don't feel I'm going to get a ton of use out of this at all, really. I've obviously swatched it for the photos and it does get opaque in 3 coats, but I think I'm going to give this to my mum because this is something that she'll definitely use. She doesn't wear nail polish a lot, but she does have a lot of very thin nails, so I think this will be great to wear nail polish and have a treatment at the same time. And they're saying that these retail for £18.40. When we got the original Nail Envy a few boxes ago, I did comment saying I was a bit shocked that the markup for that brand was so high, and a lot of you in the comments told me that no, that is how expensive Nail Envy is. I'm just living in denial. So that was the 4th item. Then onto a nice bright polish, and this is by Artistic, which I've never heard of before. So it says Artistic Colour Revolution Reactive Nail Polish. Don't know if that means anything. Let's read the description. This is in the Artistic shade is Shred It Up. It's a vibrant and energetic orchid purple cream colour which came from the 2017 New Skate of Mind collection. Let's have a little look. Does it say anything about a change? No. Okay, so it just looks like it's a normal nail polish. I thought the reactive nail polish might mean something, but I guess not. And this is an American brand. Is it American brand? Yeah, made in the USA. Just say this is brand new to me, don't know too much about it. This did get opaque in 2 and it is retailing for £10, but I've never tried that before, so that was interesting to do that. The last two brands I'm very familiar with. The first one is China Glaze, and this is New Year, New Boo. They are saying that these retail for £9. I don't tend to see them a little bit cheaper than that full retail price. I think in Sally's they're about £7, but on Nail Polish Direct you can get them for about £5. And this was in from the holiday collection from last year, like just gone. And I am actually working on a full review of this collection, so this is a double for me. It's a really nice deep dark blue colour, one of the highlights of the collection in my opinion. So this one will be going into an Instagram giveaway, so if you don't follow me on Instagram you should. It's always down below for you because this giveaway is going to be coming up very soon on Instagram. So that one there was New Year, New Boo, and it was opaque in 2. And the last one is a Butter London, and I haven't used any Butter Londons since they've changed the cap. I didn't know if it was on all the bottles now. They kind of phased it in a little bit, so it now says patented shine 10 times the shine. This is in the shade Flusher Blusher, and it's just a very nice standard pink coral colour. Gets opaque in 2, no complaints. I would have just liked something a little different in colour. Something for me that I just didn't have already in another range. But this is Butter London, and they retail for £15. And I think if you do get them from like Boots and places like that, they are that high, so expensive. Butter London's Flusher Blusher. So that is all the 7 products and swatches of the polishes from this month's Manny and Lola. Manny and Lola will always be linked down below for you guys. My review for this from all 3 boxes has been very consistent, which is great to say, where the value for money in these is incredible. Again, if we're just looking at this again, the OPI Nail Envy by itself is £18.40 and the box retails to £20 plus £3 shipping. So like mask was £5, butter was £5. We're easily getting up to a lot of money. So value for money is amazing with this box if you're looking for something that where you want to get a mixture of treatments and polishes and recent releases from polishes as well. Can I just add, I've been very impressed at that. The Manny and Lola is the box for you. I'm so sorry to any international viewers out there, this is UK only. I'm just teasing you, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know down below what you think of this box and if you've tried the service, because so far I'm really enjoying it. And I will see you soon.